first ever edition of Reeperbahn Festival in New York. The A2M Indie Week is taking part parallelly, and it's the most concentrated music business meeting in North America. North America is the largest music market in the world. Reeperbahn Festival, our own event, which grew into one of the most important music business platforms in the world, not only in Europe, promoted here for North American music companies to visit us in September.
Set out to overcome the shadows that are almost tangible. But who's gonna be forgiven?
Well, we are one or two bands, or three bands, German bands, that are representing Germany in this festival, and it's an honor and a dream come true. After a long period of hard work, it's great to represent it on that level. It's also great for the connection between two countries, between Germany and the States. It's good to have these kind of connections.
Well, I do appreciate the fact that they're trying to bridge the gap from Europe to America. Me personally, as an artist, I'm also trying to make the transatlantic move, and I think the fact that Reeperbahn is such a festival of importance back in Europe, or trying to make some noise over here, it's a step in the right direction.
And I think that's the beginning of these kind of festivals, are the beginning of a relationship that opens up, and we take this serious with a smile.
Well, for me it's very important because I never played in the US before. Actually, the first gig under my name, and it's a great opportunity for us, as German acts to have the chance to play in the US and then New York and then this venue. So it's awesome.
I've had the luxury of working with Export Sweden, and they have a great relationship with the German Foreign Office as well. And the fact that we have different ambassadors from various countries that come to the States, it's like the musical United Nations.
It's amazing.